Yeah, I've been tearing apart this old H Farmall today. Kenny Kizzle out there in Minnesota needs the clutch shaft that goes through there. I pulled the engine, part of the engine, what wasn't all there to start with. Pulled it off to get to them parts. And I got the front end off there. I'm going to put them front wheels on the M. But, ooh, this thing even had good oil on the bottom. Anyhow, Kenny said his bottom shaft here for the pedals was wore out on his, and I don't know where that's too much wear. That pedal feels almost like new, and the brake pedal, it's got a little wiggle to it. This is good and solid, which is bolted on. Well, anyhow, I don't know, I might go ahead and try to get them off, see what. He said that was a $50 shaft. I don't know, I might try to take it apart. Alright, that's about what I've been doing today. Of course, if I don't save a good part off of it, I'm going to throw the rest of it in the junk, because I don't need it for no reason. Got 3 more out there in the field. Alright, that's enough. Yeah, it only took me about a half hour to get them apart. Little grunting. That shaft, pedals on there tight just like new. Anyhow, I'd say somebody ought to want them. Alright, that's what I did this last half hour. Got it all tore apart. Rear end gears all look just good as can be. Got a little wear on this gear right here and just a hair on that one. The rest of them are just nice as good as can be. It's got good brake linings on that one. Good linings on there. Maybe I better save them. And oh, I got this power takeoff thing took apart. Old Kenny out there claimed me. Well, he said his was all rough and ragged, so I thought I'd donate that to you. Only took me a couple hours, and I guess it's better to somebody get some good out of it is and throw it in the loaded junk. That's awful to have to throw all this in the loaded junk, because oh, I don't need it. I got 3 more of these out there in the field, and oh, probably if somebody wouldn't have let the thing sit out in the rain and get the engine stuck, this would probably be a good tractor out using it somewhere. But it's too late now.